Hey guys, it's Lisa here from the Daily Life, and thank you for coming in for another meal planning grocery haul video. So let's just jump right into it. Of course, this is the planner I'm using this year, which is the Happy Planner, and then here is my meal planner binder. So here we are. This is the weekly layout. We are planning for the week of January 22nd through the 28th. It is the 23rd today. I will tell you that. So yesterday, which was Monday, we had burger night. And the reason why we had burger night was because I still had extra hamburger rolls from last week's dinner. And then I had some leftover frozen patties from a purchase I had bought probably about 2 weeks ago. So the kids ended up eating that for dinner. And then of course I had my grilled chicken. I had my grilled chicken burger. So that was yesterday. So this is what went on yesterday. Of course, was my usual routines that I do every day. Tuesday, which was today, Jason had a dentist appointment. Of course, my grocery shopping, which is going to be only dinners, guys. That's all I'm buying is just dinners for the week. And then, of course, my regular routine for Tuesday's chores. Today, we are actually going to be doing the crock pot roast. Sunday, it was supposed to be a meal for Sunday. But since we were out of town, if you watched my last video, we were supposed to be home before noon, but there was so much family in town and, and visiting and everything. We actually got in pretty late. So we weren't able to do the pot roast for Sunday dinner. But I have it there and I have all the ingredients. So this is what we're having for dinner, and it's actually been in the crock pot already since this morning. And then we have Wednesday. I need to take the truck in to get checked because the seat is stuck. That, and then Alyssa, my daughter, has CCD class. So we're going to have spaghetti that night. Because it's spaghetti and meatballs, because it's something easy. She can have it really quick before she leaves, and it's such an easy dinner for us to have that day. Because also, I don't know how long I'm going to be with that. I don't know if it's going to be something where I might have to leave my truck and pick it up later. We don't know. So I planned such an easy meal for that one. And now for Thursday, my Jason Sr. has his annual physical in the morning, and then Alyssa has her doctor's appointment in the evening. So we're just going to have leftovers that day because we don't know what time she'll probably be getting out since it's a late appointment. So we'll have leftovers from the crock pot, and believe it or not, my kids do eat leftover spaghetti, and it's actually pretty good. And then for Friday the 26th, I don't have anything going on much. The only thing is I am going to be doing a cooking video. This is a highly requested video, so hopefully it'll be out the following week. It is the King Ranch casserole, so if you're curious on how that is or what it is or how I make it, keep an eye out for that. And then of course we're going to have it for dinner. And then Saturday the 27th, it is my son's 12th birthday, so that'll be his day. During the morning, my husband is a guest speaker at my daughter's school for career day. So FYI, if you're just curious, he works in telecommunications. And then in the evening, my son and 3 of his friends are going to gather together, and we're going to go have pizza, and then we're going to end the night with bowling. And then Sunday, not much going on. I really try not to plan too much on Sunday unless we're out of town. But Jason has his CCD, then of course my Sunday laundry, and then here is our Sunday family dinner, which will be fish tacos with lime crema. So this is what's going on for the week, guys. It looks kind of busy, but yeah, this is what we got going on. As far as my notes, I am doing my meal planning video right now. I have my cooking video coming up, and I need to call and schedule my annual appointment. But this is what's going on. Alright, so now here we are with my menu planner. As you can see, I wrote everything down that we're going to be having. So just like I mentioned, we have burger night. Tuesday, which is tonight, is the pot roast and veggies. Tomorrow is spaghetti and meatballs. Thursday will be leftovers. Friday's King Ranch chicken casserole. Saturday will be the birthday dinner, so we'll all just have pizza. And then Sunday will be fish tacos with lime crema. I'm looking forward to this meal. Now what I do is I go onto this page, which is called the Take Note, and I write down for each day the ingredients of the dinners I will be making that day. As far as for Wednesday, because Monday we had the burgers, and then Tuesday is the crock pot. So here it is. I write down everything I'm going to be needing. And here's Thursday, and then here's Fridays for the King Ranch casserole. And then, then Saturday is pizza night because we're going out to eat. And then here's Sundays. And then here's, you know, it continues there. As far as for breakfast for Saturday and Sunday, I have a lot of breakfast food, so I am good to go. I'll probably just grab something from there, maybe some bacon and some eggs and biscuits, pancakes. I have a lot of breakfast foods, so that's why you don't see it here. And it's breakfast. It's something I just whip up together really quick. As far as the check marks, that lets me know what I have on hand already in my fridge or in my pantry, so that when I add it to my grocery list, I don't end up adding it, and then I end up having more than what I need. So as far as for spices, I already have all that. So you see, like, I have vegetable oil, I have cumin, I have paprika. The coriander, I scratched it off. It's not a spice I use regularly, so I'd rather just go buy the fresh cilantro. So that's what I'm going to do there. Green onion, it's for the slaw. Nobody's going to touch that. So why even add it if I know the kids are not going to eat it? So I just omitted that. We decided to go with the corn tortillas. So you see everything I do have on hand. So yeah, there we go. And that is my meal plan for the week, guys. Let me show you what I got as far as groceries. Alright guys, so here's my grocery haul. It is literally the smallest grocery haul I have ever shared with you guys. So right here we have a 9-pack of the tilapia fillets, and that'll be for Sunday's dinner. What I do is I'll make a fillet for each one of us, and you can get 2 tacos out of 1 fillet because they're really thick and meaty. And then the leftover fillets, which I'll have about 3 left, probably about 4 left, I'll save them for a meal for the following week. And then I have my pack of chicken breasts, which I always buy every time I grocery shop. I have 2 packs of the hot and spicy ramens. I have some Parmesan cheese. Here is the spaghetti. It's about 1.5 pounds. Some white corn tortillas. 2 packs of the shredded cheddar. A pack of the mozzarella cheese. These were on at the cashier. I picked them up. They're called the fruit crisps. I have a little small bunch of cilantro. Some eggs. A small head of cabbage. 3 bell peppers. I have them 3 for $1. I have some mushrooms, 2 avocados, cream of mushroom, the cream of chicken, the Rotel diced tomatoes, green chilies, chicken broth, 2 cans of spaghetti marinara sauce, which is the Del Monte traditional. We needed more mayonnaise, so I picked up another tub of that, or bottle. Picked up some gum, and then 2 packs of the double shots for us. That's it, guys. All I got. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you'd like for me to do more videos like this. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.